This is Nicole. She often struggles to cook and eat for herself because of her tremor. Nicole has an essential tremor, which is a movement disorder that causes involuntary shaking. People who have ET have difficulty preparing food, and many don't have access to an inexpensive and effective device that decreases the magnitude of their tremor transferred to a kitchen utensil.
Our design features an outer housing with an assistive hand strap to help the user maintain grip on the handle. Our product has a variety of detachable heads that can be connected to the central shaft using the snap button seen here. The central shaft is one of the most important subsystems because it is attached to the wire rope isolators and must be appropriately weighted to mitigate tremors. The wire rope isolators located between the center shaft and the housing are the main source of damping in our design.
Inspired by camera mount isolation techniques, our wire ropes separate the loading of the handle from that of the utensil, enabling vibrations to be attenuated across all tremor directions, both vertical, horizontal, and any other. If you'd like to learn more about our product, come see us on Design Day.